Alright, today I'm going to be doing some party ribs. Holy moly. And I got two baby backs. I went ahead and removed the membrane from the back of them. And all I'm going to do is go ahead and cut these up into little bitty ribs before we cook them. I've got the Pit Boss heating up. Saw Doug did this on Griddle Cook Eating More, and I wanted to give it a try. So come over here and get close up on here. And let's turn these this way. And we'll just go ahead and cut where all these ribs are, or in between. Going to drizzle a little olive oil up and down these ribs and brush them across it good and nicely. Get it coated just for a binding agent here. And today we're using just some Atkins Chicken and Pork Rub. Beautiful. Look at that. Olive oil will also help it to brown easily. Put that on there like that. There they are, all seasoned up real good. I'm going to let these set 20-30 minutes while I preheat the Pit Boss, get it set to about 250 degrees. All right, we're going to cook these at about 250 degrees, about an hour and a half. Try to get them to about 165 degrees. I'll probe check them. Then we're going to put them in a foil tin and wrap them up and add some good stuff to them. There they are, looking good. We're just going to go ahead, take a look at that. Got a nice brown to a nice coating. We're going to take these on out of here, put them in this little pan. Got a little aluminum pan I'm going to place all these in. I want to just eat one now. What about you?
All right, they look good.
Yeah, they do. But we're not done yet, so we're going to go ahead and... Matter of fact, I've got half of them. And this is the part, do whatever you will, whatever you want. Throw some maple syrup on it if you want, barbecue sauce, brown sugar, make it how you like it. We're just going to add some of this Honey Hot BBQ sauce. Heck yeah, look at that. Oh boy. Move those around a little bit. Flip them around. Yep, then we're going to go ahead and add the rest of them. This side of the grill over here tends to get a lot hotter just in this corner than any other part on this Pit Boss. As you can see, yeah.
Can I eat that one now?
She said she wants this one now. You want it?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, well, there you go. We'll save that one. She's going to test it out. That one's a little burnt there. Some more of this barbecue sauce to it. We got no measurements going on here. We're just adding a lot, actually. And then I've never done this before, so we'll see how it all comes about. So she just tried it. How is that?
It's good.
It's good. They're already cooked up for temp, but we want to go ahead and add some foil to them. Wrap it around. Tenderize them more. Smoke is coming. Woo. Here we go. Getting hot. Should have had my gloves on. All right. There we go. We'll check it out in about an hour. All right, here we go. Welcome back. We're going to go ahead and take a look at them. Got them still wrapped in foil down here. I just got them off the pit boss. They cooked for about another hour. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, steam. That is some hot steam.
So that's where you need those gloves.
I need gloves.
Those ones that lady. What'd she say?
Yeah, she's got some heat gloves.
Like,
oh boy.
Ooh, look at that.
Look at that.
Look at the steam.
Oh my.
Ooh, baby, how you gonna taste test that?
Well, we're gonna let it cool.
Well, you need to like grab your little plate.
Yeah, we're gonna let this cool. A matter of fact, I say we probably should let them set for about, a good 15 minutes or so, and then test them. So we're gonna let these set for a minute and be right back.
Look at the smoke that's coming off that.
It's hot.
Ooh.
All right, we got them cooled down a little bit. They look fantastic right here. Look at that. Does that not look amazing?
That looks good.
That looks amazing. Let's see how tender it is. Going to put it right here. Let me move the rest of these out of the way. And let's just take a look. Comes right off. Mm-hmm.
How does it taste?
Wow. That is incredible. This may be the way to do it. Let's see if it pulls from the bone. Let's see what we got here. Come right off. Coming right off the bone. Tender. Clean bone. Look at that. Look at that. Heck with a slab of ribs. That's amazing. Really, really good. Give it a try. Yeah. Party ribs.
That's the way to cook it.
Yeah. Excellent. All right. Wow.
So good on that.
Party ribs. Come on now. Let's see what this looks like. Holy moly. Oh, golly. Just forget about it.